I look super white in my videos. I'm sorry, but it's kind of dark, so I'm kind of using my ring light. Hopefully I don't look too pale. Today I'm gonna be doing some 100 video ideas for, like, you know, if you're kind of blank sometimes of what to make on your channel. This video ideas is anything. It can be beauty, anything. So I made it like anything kind of list. So if you're a beauty guru or anything, hopefully it'll help your channel grow a little bit. I did my research as well because I've been having some blank days that, like, I don't know what to film. So if you guys ever relate to that, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit the like and leave a comment down below telling me what is your New Year's resolution. Mine is just to lose some weight. That's it. And just still be me. Subscribe down below with you guys. I really did like some notings and stuff. So I have like some popular 100 video ideas that will go viral. Get started. So for number one, what I got for video, like, you know, I put that as because Christmas is coming. You can make a video of like what I got for Christmas, what I got for my birthday. People are always wondering what you're getting, you know, especially if you're followers and stuff. And then number two is haul videos. And number three, transformation videos, whether if it's a bedroom or a living room. Your bedroom is a mess, and then you do a transformation to something extravagant. And we show like the people, the before and after. Number four, some hair transformation. Like right now, I had black hair, but I do have some highlights that's pretty much special about it. But I've had this for like 4 months and I needed to get it done. Number five, 24-hour video. It can be in your room. It can be anywhere, just like anything. Like, six is weight loss journey, because a lot of people are trying to get skinnier this year or next year coming. You know, this year hasn't been the best year because of COVID, let's be real. Seven, time-lapse videos are very trendy. Like whether if you're cleaning your room or cleaning your kitchen, anything really. Eight, I try blank for the first video. If you try some significant things, like something like wow your viewers. So like, for example, I tried this blank for the first time. Number nine, a day in my life video. I think this video is really cool because it kind of shows how your life is as a YouTuber. I'm reading my list, that's why I'm like this all the time. Number 10, how I edit my videos on my iPhone. You can do that, or on my MacBook. Or 11, come grocery shopping with me. Number 12, cooking videos.
Number 13, vlogging, something like, you know, something cool. Like, not something, no offense, but like there's some people that vlog but like not interesting. Like recently for me, I want to vlog, but like I don't want to go just something simple. Like I just went to Marshall's TJ Maxx twice already. I don't want to keep doing that anymore because I want to have a new kind of, you know, kind of nice view, something to kind of like, damn, I want to go there kind of video. You know?
Vloggers that are very, very popular, and they get like, you know, you see their views. Number 14, make a nice, interesting story time video that will like keep your viewers interested. And number 15, testing videos, whether if it's food, anything. 16, 10 Amazon must-haves, because let's be real, I've been addicted to that just because I always what they've been buying on Amazon, because I'm like, ooh, I kind of want to get that one. And number 17, DIY videos. And then number 18, makeup, skincare reviews, etc. It can be anything. Number 19, going to a worst rated blank video, whether if it's a restaurant, a hairstyle, salon place. 20 is get ready with me video, whether if it's a holiday theme or a birthday or a prom going on. 21 is challenge videos. I've been seeing that a lot and it gets really trendy. Number 22 is prank videos. See, like if you search prank videos, like the popularity ones, that's what I would target the most. Like prank video if it's like really like real, not just like an acting thing. 23, ordering what the person ordered in front of me or in front of you. That was like 2 years ago, this trend, but I think it's still cool. I think I would still watch this. 24 is a Q&A challenge with your significant other, whether if it's your boyfriend, girlfriend. 25, this is like for the beauty gurus. You can do like a simple makeup during the quarantine, like right now, what's going on. And number 26, my fall and winter favorite beauty favorites, or it can be anything like food. It can be like 27, full face of your favorite beauty products. I always want to know those because maybe I can try it out for myself. You never know. Number 28, 10-minute glam makeup, because you know we sometimes we rushy. We want to know what we gotta do. You know, sometimes we got no time. So number 30 is how to apply on your false lashes. And then 29 is how to slay your cut crease, like how to, or you can do like a how to kind of create your nice bold cut crease, because there's some people that don't know how to do makeup. Number 31, how to slay a wing liner, or how to do a really sharp liner, because a lot of people really struggle with that. I used to struggle with that. The best thing is use a tape. Number 32 is full face of like your worst makeup products that you don't like, that doesn't work out for you, because there's some people that maybe want to see like, oh, why doesn't that work out for her. Do a trend also that like from back in the day, how you used to do your makeup. Number 33, all things you need from Walmart, because you know Walmart is stepping up its game, whatever it is. And 34, 20 gift guide video ideas, any occasions, whether if it's the holidays like right now, Christmas, birthdays. Number 35, fashion videos. It can be a haul, outfit of the day videos, or like outfit of the week. People don't do that anymore. I feel like I want to get that trend back again. I used to do that on my channel like a long time ago. Number 36 is gaming channels. Yo, guys, if you love gaming, you should try, because gaming is a thing now. The PlayStation 5 came out. Well, they like to know like some how to do stuff on gaming. To those who are really addicted to gaming, like a lot of guys are. Sometimes I used to do cheat codes. Don't tell anybody, but cheat codes are a thing. Number 37, what's in my purse video. It can be anything. What's in my bag, backpack. Those used to be trendy, but I feel like it's still trendy. Kylie Jenner just did one recently. 30, what's on my travel bag? Because, you know, a lot of people always want to know what you carry when you travel. Like, I used to do that. Like, if I want to travel somewhere, I will be like that person, like last minute watching people doing that just to see if I got everything in my bag. Number 39, worst experience and mistakes. Like I said, throwbacks of what your makeup was and now. Number 40 is how to achieve a nice smoky eye, because you know, for me back in the day when I did a smoky eye, I looked like I had a black eye, so it's kind of creepy.
So it's always nice to like really show your viewers how to like really make a bold smoky eye,
how to make it kind of neutral a little bit, or however you like. Number 41 is do's and don'ts. Like if you're gonna do a makeup look, you can do like a transformation of how to do your eyelashes the right way and not the right way. So like don't do it and do it. Number 42 is makeup for $5, like doing a tutorial for like any products for $5 for beauty. 43 is makeup tutorials on celebrity makeup inspirations. Number 44 is your top beauty favorites. It can be anything. And number 45, how to take care of your skin, because a lot of people have been dealing maybe with acne or maybe advice on something. 46, what's on my iPhone. And number 47, what's on your playlist, because yo, I've been always looking for those, because sometimes I've been going on people's playlists and just like seeing what I can maybe scoop, because sometimes my playlist needs some help. 48 is do an introduction about yourself, like just introducing who you are to your viewers. 49, show off your collection, whatever it is, maybe an eyeshadow palette collection or jewelry collection, gaming collection. Number 50, a day in the life of yourself. Number 51, do a 30-day challenge video. It can be anything. 52, do like a throwback video. Like 53, yeah, record your first impression video. And 54, mukbangs are really cool too. I don't know about you guys, but I just enjoy people just munching on good ass food. Like, number 55, compare two products. You can compare, like for example, like a foundation from a drugstore to a high-end. People always want to know those things, because maybe if you have the money for a high-end, you can always go for a drugstore that's probably the best dupe. kind of thing. Number 56, do something outrageous, like, you know, something just cool. Like if you're doing a vlog, just show around the people, like the city that interests you, like something that will wow them. 57, document your interesting experiences, whether like you went somewhere traveling with your family. Number 58, discuss trending rumors. Number 59 is a room tour. Yo, I'm still watching those kind of things. Number 60, following a blank makeup tutorial. It can be like your friends, like inspired, like anything. Some of these are kind of repeats because I kind of messed up a little bit, so guys, bear with me. And 61 is a giveaway once in a while because it does boost your engagement, but it also gives like kind of like, you know, a thank you to your subscribers and all that. And 62 is Vlogmas, like right now, because a lot of people are enjoying these kind of videos too, and it also helps your engagement with your YouTubers. It seems like you're very active to your account, so that's really cool to do. 3 is a rant video. 64 is reacting to my friends' makeup looks on Instagram, which is really cool. 65, my routine videos, whether if it's a skincare routine, my fitness routine. 66 is doing my, whether if it's your mom's makeup tutorial or your some people, they do it with their boyfriends, like girls. 7 is a monthly favorites, can be anything, beauty.
68 is trying expensive and expensive products. And number 69, trying weird products. And 70, holiday style seasonal lookbooks.
Like makeup and stuff like that. It can be a hair. 69, trying weird products, like tasting weird products. 71, gift guide on a budget. Like you should show your followers or subscribers what you should, you know, like a video of like a gift guide to someone who is in a budget, like a gift guide video, because sometimes this pandemic is crazy. Number 72, a Halloween makeup look. It can be anything. That was really trendy this year too. 73, a wedding look. 74, a no makeup tutorial. Number 75, how to contour, because yeah, I struggle that too still. 76, travel makeup bag, what to bring in your emergency, like I said. And 77, share your top clothing brands. 78, New Year's resolution. And number 79, do a parody video, like whether it's music, etc. Number 80, top movie lists that you like this year. Number 81 is tips about keeping healthy weight, experiences and recommendations with your subscribers and viewers of how you kind of, you know, how you manage your weight loss and kind of give tips to those people. Because I'm in 82 is room decoration tips. 83, morning and nighttime routines. Number 84 is cooking videos or baking. Number 85, room cleaning and organization tips. And number 86 is relationship tips. And number 87, natural looks, like makeup looks. Like sometimes people, they don't want to be going crazy. Sometimes maybe people want to have advice on how to do like a nice, decent look, but not overly crazy. Number 88, from a woman into form a woman. Like if you're a woman, form yourself into a man. Because that's really cool, like how you can transform yourself to like a character. 89, draw my life video, just like explaining yourself what you are, but like in a draw form. 90, 10 things I do when I am. 91, collection video. 92 is the best or worst gift you've ever received from someone. Number 93 is your most embarrassing moment. Number 94, a tag, whether it's a sibling, relationship tags. 94 is do a challenge video. Number 95 is a favorite travel destination, kind of, you know, telling your followers or subscribers like which place that you feel like it's the best place to go traveling. 96, a makeup tutorial of anything, whether it's like a date night, you know, it's all repeats.
Hair tutorials. Sometimes for me, I love to see heatless tutorial videos, like hair tutorial, because I don't like to use a lot of heat on my hair.
98, it's what's in my closet video. Or cleaning your closet and stuff like that is always a good trend. Number 99 is post a motivation video to keep your followers wake up every day, or how to manage to wake up at 6 a.m. or how to manage to healthy. Or 100 is doing your boyfriend's makeup. I haven't done that. Those are one of my video tips maybe ideas for you guys who are struggling maybe right now on what videos to make. Well, you guys will learn from this one. Comment, subscribe down there. And I'll see you guys on Vlogmas Day 13. Peace out.